Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Russell token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Russell base is for everyone and Russell is everyone does. By joining the community, people also become an owner of Russell on-chain, an iconic breed. The Akita Inu, bigger brother to the Shiba Inu, are known for their fierce loyalty and guardianship. Russell project institute rating is 3.2. Russell token total supply is 970.98 million and circulating supply is also 970.98 million Russell token. Russell token is listed on XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legitimate project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.